We're going to pan fry the chicken thighs until super juicy and golden brown, and we'll simmer them with an amazing honey garlic sauce. I'm sure you and your family will love it. Let's get started! And here we have 4 pieces of chicken thighs. Remove the extra skin. We could also remove the extra fat, but most of it will be rendered while cooking, so we don't have to worry about it too much. Slice the chicken meat about 1 inch apart, without cutting all the way through, so the chicken will absorb more flavors and cook faster. Use a paper towel to scrub on the skin and remove any pin feather. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. Mince the garlic. Let's talk a little bit more about garlic. According to traditional Chinese medicine, it kills germs and helps to fight infections. In the ancient times, Chinese would eat garlic during New Year and Li Chun. It helps to revive qi and protect themselves from the evil spirits. So what do you think about garlic? Comment below and let me know. In a bowl, mix together the garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and water. Whisk and set aside. In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil that you enjoy. Transfer the chicken inside, skin side down. Pan fry until golden brown, about 3 minutes. Flip the chicken and cook for another 3 minutes. Now we can remove the extra rendered oil from the pan. Over low heat, flip the chicken to the skin side down. Add the sauce inside and cook for about 6 minutes. Flip the chicken and cook for another 6 minutes. Over high heat, cook the chicken until the sauce is reduced, about 5 minutes. You can serve it directly or slice it into bite-sized pieces. Stay positive, be kind, and happy cooking, everyone! Enjoy! Wow, this is absolutely delicious. It's kind of garlicky, savory, slightly sweet. It's just so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!